Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. First of all, thank you all for watching my videos. And if you're watching my videos and have not subscribed my channel yet, or if you are new to this video, then please go and subscribe my channel for more videos. So today I will talk about TCS versus Accenture. Like many of you ask me which one is good, which one to join, TCS is good or Accenture is good. So I have made this video I'll be covering so many things like salary, technology, hike, promotion, job security, work life balance, and all in these two companies so that you can, uh, you know, go ahead and choose your company, which one is good for you. So let us talk about CTC of TCS. So TCS provides two roles, as we all know. The first one is Ninja. For Ninja, it provides 3.36 LPA, and for digital, it provides 7 LPA. And if we talk about Accenture, so Accenture also has two roles for freshers. The first one is ASE, which it provides 4.5 LPA, and for FSC it provides 6.5 LPA. And if we talk about bond in TCS, so TCS has 1 year of bond. And if we talk about Accenture doesn't have any bond, guys. So which is good. Like if you want to leave Accenture within 1 year, so you can leave and you don't have to pay any amount, but you have to, but you just have to return the joining bonus, which you get when you join the company. And if we talk about promotion and hike in TCS, so by default, you will get promoted within 2 to 4 years. And if we talk about hike, so hike is also ranges from 7 to 15%. And if you talk about Accenture, so in Accenture, you can expect promotion from 1 to 2 years. And if we talk about hike, so hike is also from 6 to 15%. It totally depends on your project, supervisor feedback, and all. So, and if we talk about job security in TCS, so as we all know, job security in TCS is very high and work life balance is also very good. And if we talk about job security in Accenture, which is like in Accenture, job security is also very good. But if we compare it with TCS, then it's a bit low. And work life balance is also good in Accenture. So, depending on these criterias, you can go ahead and choose your company. Like if you are preparing for competitive exam, so you can go and choose TCS and all. And if you want to grow in any particular technology, then you can choose Accenture. It totally depends on you guys. So once again, please do like, share, and subscribe for such more videos. Thank you.